Hey there, aspiring content creators. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take you through the exciting process of creating your very own YouTube channel. Whether you're a vlogger, gamer, or a budding filmmaker, having your own YouTube channel is a fantastic way to share your passions with the world. So let's dive right in and get you started on your YouTube journey. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create your YouTube channel. Open your web browser and go to YouTube. Once you're on YouTube, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. In YouTube Studio, locate and click on the Create a Channel button. You'll be prompted to choose between using your personal name or creating a brand account. Select the option that aligns with your goals. Enter your name and handle and upload the picture that you want for your YouTube channel. Then click on the Create button. Now it's time to customize your channel. Add a channel name, check out your channel handle, and then write a captivating channel description of your favorite one. After entering the description, link your social media accounts with your YouTube channel, like Instagram, and here it's linked. The last step in your basic info is to add your email ID. Simply add your email ID and click on branding. Next, create a compelling channel icon and banner. Choose the picture and adjust that picture as per your choice. And add a watermark for your channel. After the picture is added, choose the display time like end of the video. These elements will help viewers understand what your channel is all about. Congratulations! You have successfully created your YouTube channel. Now it's time to let your creativity shine and start building your audience. Remember, consistency and quality content are key to growing your channel. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on YouTube growth and content creation. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any updates. Thank you for watching and best of luck on your YouTube journey. We can't wait to see the incredible content you'll create. Until next time,